Have you ever thought that blurry vision, squinting to see clearly, is just a normal part of aging? Imagine a quiet evening. You're sitting in the living room, reading the newspaper, the warm glow of a lamp falling across familiar pages. But suddenly, the letters blur, the lines of news no longer as sharp as before. You rub your eyes, try harder to focus, even bring the paper closer. But only then can you make out the words. That unsettling feeling doesn't just bring discomfort, it plants a deeper worry. Are your eyes aging faster than you are? Eye specialists see this all the time. Seniors who live carefully eating healthy, exercising regularly, yet still face sudden declines in vision. And the reason isn't just getting old. In reality, once the body crosses the age of 55 or 60, many changes unfold. Nutrient absorption slows, cell renewal weakens, hormones shift, and even seemingly harmless eating habits quietly chip away at eye health. At night, hidden factors like drops in blood pressure, poor circulation, or silent dry eye episodes can rob sleep of its healing power for your vision. The good news is that there are simple, natural ways to keep your eyesight sharp, and the secret may already be on your dining table. Everyday foods, when used wisely, can serve as shields to protect your eyes against aging. And right now, we'll explore 5 powerful foods, often called the gatekeepers of healthy vision for years to come. You've probably heard someone say, "Carrots are good for your eyes." That simple phrase actually holds one of nutrition's greatest secrets. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a bright orange pigment that the body converts into vitamin A, the very nutrient that acts like a lantern, helping us see clearly in the dark. Without enough vitamin A, the eyes lose their ability to adjust to low light. You might notice this when stepping into a dimly lit restaurant and needing your phone's flashlight to read the menu, or when driving at night and finding streetlights uncomfortably glaring. These are early signs of night blindness, one of the first warnings of vitamin A deficiency. If left unchecked, it can go beyond inconvenience, raising the risk of corneal damage and even irreversible vision loss. But carrots don't stop at vitamin A. They also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 powerful antioxidants that act like natural filters against blue light from phone screens, computers, and the sun. This extra layer of defense helps reduce the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration, 2 of the leading causes of blindness in older adults. So how much should you eat? Just half to 1 carrot a day is enough to nourish your vision. You can enjoy raw carrot sticks as a crunchy snack, toss them into salads, simmer them in chicken soup, or even blend them with apples and oranges for a golden smoothie that's both delicious and eye-friendly. Experts caution against overusing vitamin A supplements, since high doses can strain the liver. Whole foods like carrots remain the safest and most effective choice. Sometimes, a small daily habit like adding a few slices of carrot to your dinner can be enough to keep your eyes clear and steady for years to come. Key takeaway: carrots aren't just that childhood veggie your mom insisted you eat. They're nature's lantern, helping your eyes stay strong in the dark. If carrots are the lantern in the dark, spinach is like an invisible shield protecting your eyes from a silent enemy, blue light. In today's world, when you spend hours in front of the TV, scrolling on your phone, or video chatting with your grandkids, your eyes are constantly bombarded by blue light. That's when spinach truly shows its strength. Spinach is loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, plant compounds often called the eye's natural sunglasses. These nutrients concentrate in the retina, acting like a filter that absorbs harmful light before it can damage delicate eye cells. Thanks to this, spinach helps reduce the risk of macular degeneration, a disease that robs you of central vision and cataracts, which cloud the lens and make the world look foggy. When your body lacks lutein and zeaxanthin, you may notice eye strain, glare when looking at screens, or extra sensitivity to sunlight. Over time, this deficiency can lead to permanent retinal damage. That's why studies consistently show that people who eat more leafy greens rich in lutein tend to enjoy stronger, clearer vision as they age. The good news, you don't need mountains of spinach to benefit. Just 1 cup a day is enough to fuel your eyes with protective nutrients. You can add a handful to your morning smoothie, toss it into a fresh salad with olive oil, or do a quick sauté with garlic for a dish that's both delicious and eye-friendly. A small note of caution. Spinach contains oxalates, which may be an issue for people prone to kidney stones. If that's you, check with your doctor before making spinach a daily staple. Key takeaway: your eyes are the windows to the world, and spinach is the clear shield that quietly guards them against blue light and the wear and tear of aging. If carrots light up your eyes in the dark, and spinach builds a shield against blue light, then salmon is the stream that nourishes your vision from within. Every pink-orange fillet of salmon is not only delicious but also packed with a precious oil, omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 works like lubricating oil for the eyes. As we age, many people start to feel dryness, burning eyes, a gritty sensation like sand, or even watery eyes when reading or watching TV for too long. This often signals an omega-3 deficiency, where the tear glands no longer produce enough natural moisture. Eating salmon regularly can make a real difference, keeping eyes hydrated and reducing discomfort. But that's just the beginning. Omega-3 also acts as a critical shield against macular degeneration, the disease that robs seniors of central vision, making it hard to recognize loved ones' faces or read the words on a page. Research shows that people who eat oily fish at least twice a week have a significantly lower risk of developing macular degeneration. It's easy to add salmon to your meals. Grill it lightly with dill and lemon, pan-sear with a touch of olive oil, or toss it into a salad with arugula, avocado, and a few walnuts. A portion of about 3 to 5 ounces, 100 to 150 to green, 2 to 3 times a week, is enough to keep your omega-3 levels strong. Of course, not everyone has access to wild salmon. If you choose farmed salmon, look for trusted sources and avoid over-consuming industrially farmed fish due to possible antibiotic residues. For those with seafood allergies, fish oil or flax seeds can be a safe alternative. Key takeaway: salmon is not just a tasty dinner. It's the stream of omega-3 that keeps your eyes clear, hydrated, and resilient, even as the years go by. Few foods are as familiar and versatile in daily life as eggs, but behind their fragile shells lies a golden gem for the eyes, the yolk. Eggs are an excellent source of vitamin A, a nutrient essential for keeping the cornea strong and vision sharp. Many seniors notice dryness, burning, or blurriness when reading or watching TV. These are often signs of vitamin A deficiency, something that a simple egg can restore naturally and safely. Even more importantly, Egg yolks contain high levels of lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that act like shields, protecting the retina from harmful light and free radicals. With these nutrients, eating eggs regularly helps reduce the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts, two of the most common vision problems with age. Eggs can be enjoyed in countless ways: sunny side up with fresh tomatoes, gently steamed for a soft texture, or as a fluffy omelette packed with spinach. For seniors, just 1 or 2 eggs per day are enough to nourish the eyes without stressing the digestive system. However, those with high cholesterol or heart disease should check with their doctor before eating too many eggs. And remember, don't skip the yolk, because that's where most of the eye-protecting nutrients are found. Key takeaway: eggs aren't just affordable, tasty, and convenient. They are the golden gem of the yolk that helps seniors preserve clear, healthy vision through the years. In the world of fruits, blueberries may look small, but they carry extraordinary power. With their deep blue-purple hue, these berries contain anthocyanins, natural pigments, that not only give them their striking color, but also act as night watchmen for your eyes. Anthocyanins help improve night vision, making it easier for the eyes to adjust when moving from bright to dim environments. Seniors often complain about glare from streetlights or headlights when driving at night. This is a sign the body needs more anthocyanins to keep the retina strong. Beyond that, blueberries are rich in powerful antioxidants that neutralize free radicals, the culprits that damage eye cells. By fighting oxidative stress, these tiny fruits help lower the risk of macular degeneration and retinal damage, two leading causes of vision loss in older adults. Without enough antioxidants, the eyes become more sensitive, vision blurs faster, and recovery from bright light exposure is much slower. The good news is blueberries are easy to enjoy. Sprinkle a handful over morning oatmeal, add them to a refreshing cup of yogurt, or blend them with banana and almond milk into a nourishing smoothie. For seniors, just 1 to 1 small cup per day is enough to support eye health without worrying about excess sugar. One note of caution: people with diabetes should watch their portions, since blueberries still contain natural sugars. Key takeaway: blueberries may be tiny, but they are the blue heart that nourishes the retina, keeping your vision clear and resilient through the years. The eyes truly are the windows to the soul. They capture the gaze of grandchildren, read the stories you love, and let you embrace every precious moment of later life. Yet, with time, the eyes endure silent changes, blurred vision, dryness, and the looming risk of macular degeneration or cataracts. The good news: you can protect and nourish your eyes, starting from your daily meals. 5 familiar foods: carrots, spinach, salmon, eggs, and blueberries are 5 silent gatekeepers, each offering a unique layer of defense. Carrots light the way in the dark, spinach shields against blue light, salmon provides an omega-3 stream to keep eyes moist and strong, eggs offer the golden yolk that nurtures the cornea, and blueberries serve as the resilient blue heart of the retina. Together, they form a natural shield against aging, helping your eyes stay bright and strong. The change doesn't have to be complicated. Just a little extra some greens on your plate, a few bites of salmon, an egg, or a small handful of fruit can become the greatest gift you give your eyes. More time to keep seeing life clearly. So today, which of these foods will you choose to protect your vision? Start with your very next meal, because your eyes don't just need prescription glasses, they need the gentle care that only real food can provide.